With the rise of increasingly advanced drone technology, is the attack helicopter still relevant on the modern battlefield? Or has it become a relic of the past? Attack helicopters, with their versatile capabilities, continue to play an important role in modern warfare, especially in dynamic battlefields, like the one we're witnessing in Ukraine. In various conflicts, attack helicopters serve not only as lethal combat tools, but also as irreplaceable strategic assets, providing close support for ground troops, reconnaissance, and aerial surveillance. Behind the roar of the engine and the noise of the rotor, Russian attack helicopters, such as the Ka-52, Mi-28, and Mi-35, have demonstrated their superiority in modern warfare thanks to their advanced features. Are they the best Russia has to offer? And how do they stand alongside drones so they won't become obsolete? Let's dive deeper. The Ka-52 Alligator is one of the most feared air forces in the world. It is still in use at one of the hotspots on the Russian border, Kursk. On August 12, 2024, the world was shocked by footage showing how the Ka-52 successfully destroyed a second Challenger 2 tank supplied by the UK in the Kursk region of Russia. Using the advanced Vikhr anti-tank missile, the Ka-52 demonstrated deadly combat capabilities. The Vikhr missile, which can be launched with high accuracy from the helicopter, pierced the thick armor of the tank, destroying it in an instant. This moment reaffirmed Russia's claim that the Ka-52 is the most dangerous reptile in the sky, capable of operating in all weather conditions, day or night, even in high winds. With its two powerful Klimov VK 2500 turboshaft engines, this helicopter can maneuver agilely in difficult battlefields. The Ka-52 can move in all directions at speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour, allowing the pilot to quickly adjust position, deliver precision strikes, and avoid enemy threats. Its ability to survive in harsh conditions is not only due to its speed and maneuverability, but also its strong protective armor at the front and key components. These parts are designed to protect the helicopter from incoming enemy fire, including bullets and missiles. Not only in Kursk, this helicopter has proven its combat abilities in various battlefields worldwide, including Syria. Its success in Syria, with the ability to avoid enemy attacks and deliver deadly counterstrikes, further solidifies its reputation as the most sought-after and reliable attack helicopter for Russia. However, despite its success, there have been reports of this helicopter being lost. One incident that attracted attention occurred in the Kursk region, where a Ka-52 was reported missing. Although this news spread widely, as reported by Newsweek, Russia has not officially confirmed the incident. The Mi-28, nicknamed the Night Hunter, takes technological sophistication and military strategy to the next level. With its aggressive design and impressive capabilities, the Mi-28 embodies Russia's ambition to create an unmatched air assault vehicle on the battlefield. The primary purpose of this helicopter is to destroy strategic ground targets, tanks, infantry fighting vehicles, mobile artillery systems, and enemy positions protected by fortifications. The advantage of the Mi-28, which has a cruising speed of 260 kilometers per hour, lies in its ability to penetrate enemy defenses using a combination of advanced weapons and in-depth navigation systems, including air-to-surface and air-to-air guided missiles. unguided rockets, and a deadly 30mm cannon. However, the Mi-28 doesn't rely solely on attack power. Each unit is equipped with serious protection. The cockpit glass, which can withstand 12.7mm bullets, makes the helicopter more resistant to small arms fire, giving its crew the chance to stay focused on their mission despite threats from below. One of the most notable historical contributions of the Mi-28 is its role in various global military operations, such as in Syria, Iraq, and Algeria. However, its most prominent role has been in Ukraine. In the Donetsk region, the Mi-28 effectively neutralized various defense positions and armored vehicles, showcasing how powerful this helicopter is in overcoming significant challenges. However, it also has limitations. On August 6th, a report from the Kyiv Independent mentioned that a Russian Mi-28 was attacked by an FPV drone used by Ukrainian forces. The strike successfully hit the Mi-28's tail rotor, a vital point that threatened the helicopter's stability in the air. This incident proves that despite its many advantages, the Mi-28 is not entirely immune to new innovations and tactics emerging on the battlefield. The Mi-35 Hind, with three key attributes, armor, speed, and firepower, embodies the essence of Russian military aviation. With its rugged design and armored protection that shields its crew from enemy threats, the Mi-35 can fly at low altitudes with a high speed of 300 kilometers per hour, a crucial capability for modern military operations. As a hunter in the skies, the Mi-35 functions not only as an attack vehicle, but also carries out a range of strategic missions with high precision. From destroying enemy armored vehicles to damaging vital military infrastructure, the Mi-35 is a tireless war machine. It can launch guided anti-tank missiles to destroy heavy targets like tanks and other armored vehicles. In addition, it can carry unguided missiles and light weapons that are useful in a variety of situations, including attacking smaller, more dynamic enemy positions. In several military operations in Ukraine, the Mi-35 has proven its ability to destroy heavily fortified defenses, returning safely after completing its missions. So, can attack helicopters like the Mi-35 survive amidst the rapid advancement of warfare technology, especially with the emergence of increasingly sophisticated drones? Drones certainly offer undeniable advantages. They are cheaper, can be operated more flexibly from a distance, and have longer endurance without exposing crew members to direct risk. However, despite all the advantages drones offer, helicopters still possess many qualities that robotic technology cannot replace. These include larger payloads, real-time decision-making, and mission flexibility. What do you think about the future? Will attack helicopters easily be replaced? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.